Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to rotoscope video with one click in Premiere. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back and let's go to here. We have new tool, something new, object mask tool. Let's hold this icon and choose object mask tool. Then go to preview scene and now we can choose this object. So in this time, go to FX control and click this button for track selected mask. And as you can see, your process is very speedily. And here we go, it works, and let's see. Nice, very good results. And now choose this object mask, Ctrl X, and go to opacity, Ctrl V for opacity. Now we have object without background. So choose this video and move it up. And go to here, let's create new color matte. And click OK. Choose background green. Add name green screen. And OK. So let's drag and drop into composition. And here we go. We have green screen video. OK, that's good. So guys, thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments and have a good day. Good luck.